Welcome to Kenton Teaches. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to change a Toyota Corolla headlight bulb. First, gather your essential tools, including a screwdriver and the correct replacement bulbs. Always ensure your vehicle's engine is completely off and cool to the touch before you begin. It's also wise to wear protective gloves. This prevents oils from your skin from transferring to the new bulb's glass, which can shorten its lifespan. Safety and preparation are key for a smooth replacement. Now, open your car's hood and carefully locate the headlight assembly you need to work on. You'll see an electrical connector attached to the back of the bulb. Gently disconnect this connector by pressing its tab and pulling it straight off. Next, look for any retaining clips, springs, or covers that hold the bulb in place. These usually unclip or twist off, allowing access to the bulb itself. With the old bulb exposed, carefully remove it from its housing. Be gentle, as the filament might be fragile. Now, take your new bulb, holding it only by its base, and insert it firmly into the headlight assembly. Make sure it's seated correctly and doesn't wobble. Once the new bulb is in place, reattach the electrical connector and secure any retaining clips or covers you removed earlier. Finally, before closing everything up, turn on your car's headlights to confirm the new bulb is working correctly. Check both high and low beams. If everything looks good, you can close the hood securely. Remember to dispose of your old bulb responsibly, as some contain hazardous materials. Also, for an amazing reading experience, check the description for a link to the new Kindle Paperwhite, along with other great deals you won't want to miss.
Thanks for watching. Please subscribe if this video was helpful.